Again, I started to do this video and my phone died, so I'm gonna try to finish this and then I'm done posting for this morning. Might get back on it, and I'm done showing y'all charts, okay? Because I don't want to mislead a lot of people thinking that trading as a beginner, um, without learning the fundamentals, you're gonna be successful. No, you're not. The reason why I just traded openly so everybody could witness. I traded as a beginner, but I was calm. I had everything in perspective so you could see mistakes you make, you're gonna blow an account. Mistakes you make, you're gonna lose your hard-earned money. Because when you're playing with a prop firm account, you are using the money they give you. But if the account is 50,000, trust me, you only have the $2,000 drawdown, and sometime in one day you could only lose 1,000. Okay, so once you understand that, and one day you could lose 1,000, you don't have the whole money, or even me playing with $150,000, the drawdown in one day is like 2,000, 2,500. Sometimes once some of these prop firms, once you pass $1 over that 2,000 for that day, the whole account is trash. It's done. Some of them you could hold up to 3,000 before you blow the whole account. Some of them, like Top Steps, they will actually let you um, come back the next day and trade some more. These are things you need to know. I do all these research and put it together on my Discord and everything. For people that join, they get it all for free. Okay, so right here, you get it all for free. And I'm showing you I give it all for free. It's a private Discord. You cannot get in it. You're not going to find the link. If somebody send you the link, it's not going to work because it's private. All right? So for me to get you in there and approve you and all this and all that, it might be a little fee. I don't know what the fee going to be yet. I'm still undecisive. But let's see what book one is. We download it. Everything is downloadable. You get to keep it. You can share it with your friends, your family. If you get in, it's all free. But I'm going to share what you get in here for free as a beginner. Okay? The Traders Foundation book, How Price Move and How You Get Paid. NASDAQ made simple. Why do we focus on NASDAQ? NASDAQ is one of the um, CMEs that moves cleanly. I love to trade gold. As you can see right here, I have a gold buy right here. This is gold on the bottom. Okay, I have a gold buy, I have a NASDAQ, I have a US 30. These are my swing trades. I hold them for a while. Okay, as you can see, NASDAQ is negative $300. I'm not selling, I'm not getting out. It's a swing trade. So when it goes up, I'm trading off of this account for months at a time. For you to understand this, you have to know where you're going to start. So now we'll go back to Discord. Bam. And the book that we just download. Bam. And now we're going to get into this in the rest of the few minutes we have left. So, by me, Young Micro Mellow, what is the market? Think of the market like a big store. Some are, let me see, so you can see, because I know you might not be able to see it the way I can. All right. Think of the market like a big store. Some people are buying, some people are selling. When more people want to buy, price goes up, which it does. When more people want to sell, price goes down. That is the basics. We all know this, right? That's all the market is, a battle between buyers and sellers. Like you got it on the streets, you got Crips Bloods on the market. You have cash and losing cash. It's the same thing, but you could make money either way it goes. All right. What is NASDAQ? US 100. NASDAQ, also called US 100 is a group of big companies like Apple, Amazon, Google, Tesla. When you trade NASDAQ, you are not buying one company, you are trading the movement of all of them. Okay? Where you could buy Google and Google go down or Tesla go down, you're trading everything compact. What is price? Price is just a number. Example: 15,000, 15,010, 14,090. That's all price is. Price is always on the move, okay? These numbers move up and down all day. Your job as a trader is simple: buy if you think price will go up, sell if you think price will go down. What is a point? A point is how we measure movement. Point, tick, ticker, it's all the same. Okay? Example: 15,000 to 15,001 equals 1 point. 15,000 to 15,010 equals 10 points. Think of points like steps of it on a staircase. More steps equal bigger moves. That's why I did a full contract this morning showing 100 and something contract how it moves. I took the loss for you so you don't have to go find out the hard way and lose your hard-earned money. How you get paid, very important. You don't get paid by time, you get paid by points. Example: micro, NASDAQ, MNQ. That's what it is. If you're looking up micro, you go to TradingView, any site you go to that supports the chart, it's going to say MNQ. That's how you identify it. First point: 1 point is equals about $2. So 10 points equals $20. 25 points equals $50. 50 points equals $100. 100 point equals $200. So if 1 point equals $2, it doesn't matter how many points you're trying to catch, you're going to multiply that by 2. That's why I say on TradingView with their stop loss, sometimes I have to do math and calculation to see where it's going. Okay? The more points you catch, the more money you make, which is so true. Simple winnings. Simple winning trade. You say, I think price will go up. You buy at 15,000. Price moved to 15,020. That's 20 points. You made $40. Okay? Very simple. And I'm giving you this information for free. I've opened up my Discord, giving you these books. I'm going to put almost every books in a video. But I write so much and I create so much, you're always going to be missing out if you're not in it. All right? So now, simple losing trade. You buy at 15,000, price dropped down to 14,990. That's negative 10 points. 10 times 2 equals you lost $20. Loss or put parts of trading. The goal is to control them. That's where risk management, stop loss, and everything comes in. Even though I don't like to trade with it. Depends on what account I'm trading in. And the pips and value, and also the validity of the contract that I'm trading. If I'm planning to hold long, or if it's teeter tattering, it depends. All right, but that's my bias. Everybody that trades has their own bias against the market, and the market always wins. What are pips and ticks? Keep it simple. You might hear pips, ticks, right? Don't stress. For NASDAQ, focus on points. That's what actually pays you. The pips, the ticks, sometimes 4 ticks make a point. It's too much mathematics. Let's keep it simple. All right? The truth about trading: most beginners think, how much money can I make? But real traders think, how much can I lose without blowing my account? That is called risk management. Okay? That's going to be the next book. But so you understand, you're getting it here real time. Okay? And we had all this in a 10-minute. You see how long it takes to read this book? 10 minutes. Final summary. Remember this. The market equals buyers versus sellers. NASDAQ equals tech